Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. The .NET Framework 3.5 remains an important Windows feature used by many legacy applications. It can easily be added using the Turn Windows features on or off applet. However, installation of .NET 3.5 will fail on a disconnected corporate network or when internet access is restricted unless a local source is provided. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install .NET Framework 3.5 using a Windows 11 ISO image as the source. You can check whether the .NET 3.5 framework feature is installed in Windows using the PowerShell command get Windows capability netfx3. In my case, this feature is not present. Use the classic Turn Windows features on or off panel to install .NET 3.5. To open it, run the optional features command. Check the .NET Framework for installation and click OK. Windows will try to connect to Windows Update servers and download the component binaries from there. Windows sends a manifest of your current OS build. This ensures that the files downloaded are bit 4-bit compatible with your specific version of Windows. When downloading and installing feature via the internet, the process can take from 5 to 30 minutes. If your computer is on a network isolated from the internet or direct access to Windows Update is restricted, an error will occur when attempting to download the .NET Framework 3.5 installation files. In this scenario, you can perform an offline installation of the component using the Windows installation ISO image as the source. You will need an ISO file containing the installation image for the same version and build of Windows that is currently installed on your computer. Run the winver command to find out your Windows version. In my case, it's Windows 11 build to 5H2. Download the ISO image matching your Windows version and mount it as a virtual DVD drive. In my example, the virtual disk containing the Windows 11 installation image was assigned the letter E. Offline installation files for Windows components, including .NET Framework 3.5, can be extracted from the SXS subdirectory within the Sources folder of the installation media. To install .NET Framework 3.5 offline on Windows 11 from a local source, use the DISM console command. Add the enabled feature option and the name of the component to be installed. In the source parameter, specify the path to the SXS directory on the installation media. Add the limited access option to prevent access to Microsoft's online servers. Run the installation. DISM will now prioritize a local source for .NET Framework installation binaries, bypassing the need for an external connection to Windows Update. Installation will take about 2 to 5 minutes. Let's check that the .NET feature has been successfully enabled. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.